Welcome to a quick guide on how to hide your profile photo on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wanted a little more privacy while chatting from your computer, this is for you. First, open WhatsApp Web and scan the QR code with your phone to connect. Once you're in, take a moment to locate the gear icon in the top right corner. This icon opens a settings panel where you can customize your privacy options. Next, click on Privacy. This section controls what others can see about you on WhatsApp. You'll find several options here, but today we're focusing on profile photo. Tap or click profile photo to adjust who can view your picture. In the profile photo settings, you'll see choices like everyone, my contacts, and nobody. To hide your photo entirely from others, select nobody. This means your profile picture will not be visible to anyone who can view your WhatsApp profile from the web. It's a simple toggle, but it makes a noticeable difference in how much of your information is exposed. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same menu and choose a different option. The process is the same: settings, privacy, profile photo, then switch to everyone or my contacts as you prefer. It's a quick adjustment that doesn't affect your ability to chat or share messages on WhatsApp Web. A quick tip: after setting nobody, you might want to review other privacy settings as well. For example, you can control who can see your about information or last seen status. Tuning these together can give you a more consistent privacy footprint across devices. That's all there is to it. With a few clicks, your WhatsApp Web profile photo is hidden from everyone, helping you maintain a bit more anonymity while staying in touch.